Hi everybody, my name is Adrianna Gordey, but you can call me Adri, and I am this year's program assistant. I served as the program assistant during the 2018 Young Writers Workshop, and I was an instructor for last year's Young Writers Workshop.
If I could meet any fictional character, I would want to meet Courage the Cowardly Dog from Courage the Cowardly Dog Show.
Courage the Cowardly Dog Show! Starring Courage the Cowardly Dog!
He taught me that it was okay to be scared and do brave things at the same time. Plus, I just love dogs, so having another dog in my life would not be a problem whatsoever. Oh, those are nice. One of my favorite quotes about writing is, "Every first draft is perfect because all the first draft has to do is exist. It's perfect in its existence. The only way it could be imperfect would be to not exist," by Jane Smiley. And the reason that that's one of my favorite quotes about writing is because sometimes it's hard to just start, but if you have something that you've started, then you can always revise it and edit it down the line. So sometimes the hardest thing for me to do is start, but when I remember that quote, I think, well, I can always make it better with revisions. This year, I want Love on Top by Beyonce to be my life's theme song because it's positive, it's upbeat, and it's super fun, and those are the type of qualities I want my 2021 to have.
Bring the beat in! Anything for you, Beyonce!
Oh, is this boring? Sorry.